Best blenders. Are you looking for the best blenders? In this video we will look at 5 of the best blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Vitamix A3500 ActiveSense Series Gold Label Smart Blender is a high-end, professional-grade blender designed for versatile blending tasks. It features a sleek white body with gold accents, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Equipped with a 64 ounces low-profile container, this blender is ideal for large batches, while its compact design allows it to fit under most kitchen cabinets for convenient storage. As part of the ActiveSense series, the A3500 offers smart technology that includes 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips, and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning, making it easy to achieve consistent results without manual adjustments. The variable speed control and pulse function provide more control over blending, allowing users to adjust the texture to their preference. A standout feature is the built-in wireless connectivity with the Vitamix Smart System, which allows the blender to recognize container size and adjust blending settings accordingly. This ensures optimal performance with compatible containers, which are designed to work seamlessly with the machine. The powerful motor delivers up to 2.2 horsepower, capable of blending tough ingredients like frozen fruits and fibrous vegetables, while the stainless steel blades are built to handle a variety of tasks, including grinding, pureeing, and emulsifying. The self-cleaning function ensures the blender is easy to maintain, simply requiring a drop of dish soap and warm water. With its advanced features and stylish design, the Vitamix A3500 is perfect for users who want a reliable, professional-grade blender that delivers consistent, high-quality results. It is well-suited for both everyday tasks and more complex kitchen challenges, making it a premium choice for culinary enthusiasts. Number 2. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender is a professional-grade kitchen appliance designed for both home and commercial use. It features a 48 ounces container, which is perfect for smaller to medium-sized batches, making it ideal for individuals or families. The compact size of the container allows for easy storage while still offering ample capacity for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. The E310 is powered by a 2.0 horsepower motor, which provides ample power to blend even tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and vegetables with ease. Its stainless steel blades are designed to crush, blend, and puree effectively, ensuring smooth and consistent textures every time. Whether you're making smoothies, hot soups, or nut butters, this blender handles it all with efficiency. One of the key features of the Vitamix E310 is its manual control dial, which gives users the ability to adjust the speed settings for precise control over texture. The blender also includes a pulse function for an added burst of power when needed, providing versatility for various recipes. The blender is designed with durability in mind, built to withstand heavy use with its professional-grade components. Its low-profile design means it fits under most kitchen cabinets, making it a practical choice for those with limited counter space. The self-cleaning feature is another convenient aspect of the Vitamix E310. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and the blender will clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds, saving time and effort. Overall, the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender is a solid choice for those looking for a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use blender at a more affordable price compared to higher-end Vitamix models, offering exceptional performance and versatility for everyday blending needs. Number 3. The Breville The Fresh and Furious Blender, BBL 620 DBL, is a versatile and stylish blender, featuring a damson blue finish that adds a modern touch to any kitchen. With a powerful 1100-watt motor, this blender is designed to handle a variety of blending tasks, from smoothies and soups to grinding nuts and making sauces. It offers a range of convenient features that make it suitable for both everyday use and more specialized blending needs. The proprietary Kinetics blade and bowl system ensures smooth and consistent results by combining a powerful blade design with a unique bowl shape to create optimal blending motion. The cold blending technology helps preserve nutrients, making it a great choice for health-conscious users. The blender's two-way action creates a vortex that pulls ingredients down, ensuring even blending and reducing the need for stirring. This model includes 5 pre-programmed settings, including smoothie, ice crush, and soup, as well as a manual control dial with 8 speed settings, giving users full control over the blending process. The pulse function provides an extra burst of power when needed for tougher ingredients. The 64 ounces capacity jug is made from durable, BPA-free tritan, making it both lightweight and resistant to stains. The blender also features a removable lid with a built-in measuring cap, making it easy to add ingredients during blending. In terms of safety, the Breville Fresh and Furious blender has a locking lid system and a non-slip base to ensure stability during use. The easy-to-clean design allows for simple maintenance, with most parts being dishwasher safe. Overall, the Breville Fresh and Furious blender combines modern design, user-friendly features, and powerful performance, making it a great option for those who want a reliable blender for a variety of blending tasks. Number 4. The Calphalon blender with 24 ounces portable blend and go smoothie cup is a versatile and powerful appliance designed for those on the go. Featuring a 1200-watt ActiveSense motor, this blender delivers strong performance for a range of blending tasks, from smoothies to soups and sauces. Its motor provides consistent power, allowing it to blend tough ingredients like frozen fruits, leafy greens, and ice with ease. One of the standout features of this blender is its 24-ounce blend and go smoothie cup, which is perfect for individuals who want to prepare their favorite drinks quickly and conveniently. The cup allows users to blend directly into it and then take it with them, making it an ideal solution for busy mornings or after workout nutrition. The cup is made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and durability. The ActiveSense technology adjusts blending speed automatically based on the texture and contents of the ingredients, providing a more efficient and personalized blending experience. This ensures that users get smooth, consistent results without the need for constant manual adjustments. The blender also features 3 pre-programmed settings: smoothie, frozen drinks, and pulse, making it easy to achieve the desired consistency for various recipes. In terms of design, the blender comes in a sleek dark stainless steel finish, giving it a modern and professional look that fits well in any kitchen. The blender's non-slip base ensures stability during use, while the easy-to-clean design allows for hassle-free maintenance. The blender's detachable parts are dishwasher safe, adding convenience for everyday use. Overall, the Calphalon blender is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact, efficient, and portable blender with the power to tackle a variety of blending tasks, making it a great option for both home and on-the-go use. Number 5. The Black+Decker BL1400 DGP Quiet Stainless Steel Blender with Cyclone glass cup is designed to offer a quieter, more efficient blending experience without sacrificing performance. This blender features a powerful 1200-watt motor that handles a variety of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to ice, ensuring smooth results with ease. The motor is designed to operate quietly, reducing noise during use, making it a great option for households or offices where a quieter appliance is preferred. One of the standout features of this blender is its Cyclone glass cup, which is not only visually appealing but also durable and easy to clean. The glass design is resistant to scratches and stains, ensuring that the blender maintains its aesthetic and functionality over time. The 48-ounce capacity is ideal for preparing large batches of smoothies, shakes, or soups, making it suitable for families or meal prepping. The stainless steel construction of the blender provides durability and a sleek, modern appearance. The cyclonic blending action ensures ingredients are thoroughly blended, with the specially designed blades working efficiently to create smooth textures. The 2-speed settings and pulse function allow for versatility, enabling users to adjust the blending intensity based on their needs. Whether you're blending soft fruits or tougher vegetables, the blender adapts to provide optimal results. In terms of safety, the Black+Decker BL1400 DGP includes a locking lid system to prevent spills and accidents, and the non-slip base ensures stability during operation. Additionally, the blender is easy to maintain, with most parts being dishwasher safe for added convenience. Overall, the Black+Decker BL1400 DGP Quiet Stainless Steel Blender offers a quiet, efficient, and reliable blending solution, combining powerful performance with convenience and durability for everyday kitchen tasks.